Really spinning.
Recording?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. For sure.
Really
Let's see what we got here. 11 o'clock night. Got him?
Yep. Oh, he's got some weight to him.
Take your time.
I know. Try. He was ripping. It's got some like walleye head shakes. Could be big eye.
It's a big walleye.
It's a big eye.
Big.
Like big.
Yep.
Like biggest one of the night big. Gotta be 22 and a half. This might be the one. To be the big one of the
Take
night.
your time. Take your time.
Come on, girl. Oh, you see that tail?
Big wide tail.
Come on, girl. Get your head up through the hole. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is a monster.
Another good one. It's 24
That's
maybe.
24. I'm going to grab this other tape measure because I don't think the little board's have. 22.
22 again, huh?
22 and a half.
Oh, another one.
Same size. This one looks fatter though.
Nice walleye.
It's a really nice wall.